Rubber printing is a popular textile printing method used widely in the garment industry, especially for t-shirts, sportswear, and fashion apparel. It uses rubber-based ink to create a slightly raised, elastic, and soft-textured print that stands out both visually and to the touch. This printing technique is known for its flexibility. Unlike standard inks, rubber ink can stretch with the fabric, making it ideal for cotton, jersey, and spandex-based materials. It provides good coverage even on dark fabrics and results in durable, bold designs. The printing process involves several key steps. First, a screen is prepared with the desired artwork and the fabric that has already been cut into pattern pieces. Place these patterns on the line, straight and even. The next step is mixing the rubber ink. A precise formula is essential as it affects the print's texture, durability, and flexibility. Rubber ink is applied onto the fabric using a squeegee, passing through the screen. Multiple layers can be added to adjust the thickness of the print. For a smooth, non-embossed finish on poly fabric, here's a reference formula. Be patient, and patient. A great rubber print is not just design, it's built layer by layer, ink by ink, heat by heat. After each layer, dry it using an infrared lamp or a household iron at 100 to 120 degrees Celsius for 30 to 60 seconds to ensure proper curing. In this particular design, the workers had to carefully apply up to 9 layers to achieve the final result. And finally, the whole piece goes into a drying oven set to the right temperature and time to ensure long-lasting adhesion and elasticity. This is not just a print, it's craftsmanship in every layer. And that's the result. Crisp, sleek, and solid rubber prints that stand the test of wear and time.